Hi, I'm Brie with Silicon Slopes. I'm the Director of Marketing and Events, and we're here with Eric Wold, Founder and CEO of Bottega, and Fili, Ledezma, President of Bottega, and we're here to announce the new partnership between Bottega and Silicon Slopes. So to get started, guys, I think it would be awesome if you told a little bit about Bottega's background story, how you got started, and all of that fun stuff to start us off with.
You bet. And it's awesome to be here. I've been a huge fan of this tech community for a long time. We'll touch on that because it was very inspirational to why we did this and did it here. But what Bottega is a practical training school to teach people computer science skills as they're actually used in industry today. You know, hands-on. It's the name comes from a studio that Michelangelo had, and when you had a studio with apprentices that would come and learn from an experienced person by actually helping with real projects, that was called a bottega.
Oh,
so that's
awesome. I did not know that.
I wanted that to be the inspiration and set the tone. You know, for come learn hands-on alongside people that already know, you know, the tech community and how to work in it and how to produce. And it's been a huge blast. We love doing this.
That's awesome. And then, did you want to comment on the background story as well?
Well, hashtag production ready engineers, that one is training. And that is our goal. Our objective is to provide value to the enterprise through the skill sets that we develop through our students and the different partnerships. Our ultimate goal is to develop the tech enterprise. Every company is a software company nowadays, and we all need to develop tech skills in order to bring value into the economy and the different companies that we work in.
Awesome. So you may get this question a lot. For people that don't know Bottega very well, are you a tech company or a school, a mixture of both? What would you categorize yourself as?
We're a tech company. Heavy emphasis, everything we do is about systems, process. Our first 3 years, we spent more than 20% of our entire P&L on R&D, so we could create learning systems that scale. We happen to operate a school, not only to produce talent here for Utah, but to help perfect and evolve the systems and processes that our students nationwide and even outside the United States use every day to try to learn these same skills.
DevCamp.com is the most advanced learning management platform to take someone from zero to, again, production-ready engineers. It has artificial intelligence, it has scholastic methodologies, it has science, and the research and understanding on how to build a software engineering mindset in addition to the skills that are necessary to participate in this digital economy. And from that point of view, we are a technology school.
Awesome. So why Utah? Why this location? What benefits do you see from it? What has helped you guys grow? Why Utah?
Yes, I'm an entrepreneur. I previously lived in California, and I founded and sold 3 companies there. And I was living down in LA, researching where I was going to move a certain software office to. And I had all this criteria, and I actually ended up between Utah and Georgia. And at the time, one of the things that really stuck out to me was the incredible amount of multilingual fluency that's here in Utah. And I thought, wow, I thought there was nowhere else in the world like it. And you can make an argument that there's a lot of languages in New York, but the common language of English here, actually in the common culture, creates the foundation that you need to have a really thriving community who also happens to be able to converse in all these other languages of the world. And at the time I thought, man, I'd love to build a technology company there in Utah that helps connect the world with that talent, that ability to reach out and communicate. And so I did not start Bottega with that in mind, I forgot about it. And now here we are today, launching in numerous countries and hiring people with different languages to help students that are, you know, around the world interact with the curriculum and learning development.
That's awesome, yeah.
Yeah, no, the synergy that happens between Utah, we have trained people in over 160 countries, over 40,000 people using our platform, and the ability to support all those many countries out of Utah because of its tech background, but also because of its multicultural understanding on all of the different regions of the world. If we need people that understand Asia or Latin America or Europe, we find them in Utah with the tech skills that are necessary in order to pursue the goals and the value that we deliver into the economies of the world.
Well, let's not forget, I just want to plug the entrepreneurial spirit. It's very much a culture of building here that is essential as well.
That's
And
amazing.
you guys got it right when you called it Silicon Slopes.
Thank you. Yeah, I think it's a great combination that you guys mentioned with the multicultural languages mixed with the tech, mixed with entrepreneurship. So that's awesome. With the partnership with Silicon Slopes, what led you guys to Silicon Slopes, and what benefits do you see from that? Why did you decide to partner with us?
Yeah, we've been very interested in the community. You know, the tech community is we can't be on an island all by ourselves. We have to have standards. We have to work together. We've got to solve the shortage of people that have technical skill sets. And we've been very involved with schools and some of the companies around here, and just really admired the Silicon Slopes organization for all the inroads it has made into bringing people together. Well, we've been able to do some tremendous pilot programs in the schools to take those to the next level, to double, triple, quadruple what we're doing. We really felt that it could only be done with the Silicon Slopes partnership.
We stay very close with our graduates as well, and this is also a very organic transition. Many of the companies where our graduates are working for, and many of the companies that we are partnering with in order to bring solution and accelerate the availability of software development talent, they're already partners at Silicon Slopes. So this is a very organic transition and a very natural step for us to come and participate and provide value to the goals and objectives of Silicon Slopes.
Well, we're very excited to have you guys a part as well. Talking about your involvement with schools, with the other companies that we work with, tell us a little bit more about your commitment to this community, to the Silicon Slopes community.
Why don't you start off, Angel?
Well, we're very committed for that. Over the last 3 years, we have provided over $10 million in value in scholarships and education to high school students, partnering with the Utah Board of Education and local companies that have provided. And we are looking forward to continue to provide that value into the future. We are very committed to the different school districts. We have partnered with all of them in order to bring tech education into the classroom. We have trained dozens of computer science teachers in the high schools as well in order to participate on this. So we are very committed for that, and we see Utah as a role model to follow in order to be able to transform and replicate this type of systems and impacts in the rest of the USA. And we also have several international programs where this type of impact has been reflected in multiple countries.
That's amazing.
Yes. Fili and I both grew up in circumstances that you would consider less than financially ideal. I grew up in Mexico City. I grew up some of my formative years in a welfare project in Seattle. And it means a lot to me that technology career paths create a way for anyone from any circumstances to bootstrap themselves to success and financial independence. And that means a lot. So we stay very involved in making sure that kids of all backgrounds have an opportunity to experience a funner side of technology. It's not just one thing. You know, there's design, there's communication, there's sales, there's many types of coding, but it's much more than just coding. So we want kids to have a great experience finding out the breadth of careers that are possible in technology, and we really want to support the teachers so they know how to teach it, how to engage the kids, and not turn them off with an initial experience that isn't well aligned with industry. We want people to come out of school excited about tech, confident in themselves and their future, and knowing that they can make this happen. They don't depend on a handout or an opportunity from anybody else. And that's exciting.
I love that, putting the power in the kids' hands and teaching them that there is positive sides to technology and that it can take them where they want to go. I love that. Well, we're super excited to have Bottega as a partner with Slope and Slopes, and we're excited to see all the amazing things that come of this. And so thank you, Eric and Fili, for being here today.
Thank you for having us.